In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run effective Teams meetings in FigJam. If you've ever felt your meetings drift or run long, FigJam's built-in templates make it easy to create structure and keep everyone focused. We'll keep this simple and practical. By the end, you'll have a clear, reusable setup that helps your team align quickly and walk away with clarity. Start by opening your FigJam board. Look toward the top right of the interface for the template icon. It typically looks like a small grid or library button and sits alongside common tools. Clicking this opens FigJam's template gallery, which is a curated library of pre-built boards designed for different workflows. This gallery is your shortcut to a solid meeting foundation, so you don't have to build everything from scratch every time. Inside the gallery, locate and select the Team Meeting Agenda template. This option is purpose-built for recurring team syncs and project check-ins. When you click it, you'll see a preview that usually includes clear sections for agenda topics, time boxes, priorities, discussion items, decisions, and follow-ups. Choosing this template gives you a shared visual structure that reduces ambiguity and keeps attention on outcomes, not just updates. It also helps you set expectations up front so everyone knows what will be covered and in what order. With the template selected, add it to your board by clicking Add Template. FigJam will place the full agenda onto your canvas, ready to use. You'll notice that the layout is designed to guide the conversation from kickoff to wrap-up, making it easier to maintain momentum. This single action turns an empty board into a meeting space that encourages participation, keeps discussions on track, and highlights the most important points. A few practical tips as you work within the template. Keep agenda items concise and outcome-oriented, time box discussions so important topics don't get squeezed, and leave obvious space for decisions and next steps so nothing gets lost once the call ends. Visual clarity matters, so use simple labels and consistent language. If your team meets regularly, reuse the same structure so people quickly recognize where to look and how to contribute. Consistency builds speed and reduces setup overhead. To recap, you opened the template gallery from the top right, chose the team meeting agenda, and added it to your board. That's all you need to start running tighter, more effective team meetings in FigJam. With this setup, you'll spend less time herding topics and more time making progress. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next focused, well-run meeting.